Yeah, viewers all over the world. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ Buddhism, Messiah, and Igbo spirituality. Now, ka bụ ihe so ọnwụ ndị ajụjụ ị nwere na nkụzi a chaatị m na WhatsApp 08057837672 or 08138243871. Na ya na screen gị ga-apụ these numbers mbọdụ. Now let's dive into today's lecture. Not long, but pay attention. Can they come back? They can see one and that one. Called one is the elementals, but messiahs are higher in calling. All depends on actually send. In the spiritual realm, when they want to send, they will say they want to send a called one. Anyone can volunteer. Not send there. What are you going to well? Family of them were akaji or from where akaji. Then in the send. Now. Etu akọ dịkwa n'obodo ọ bụrụ na send ya gị for a mission and ọ bụrụ na send zie mata that anyị chọrọ ikwu solid the messiahs na that messiah ndị agha akpọrọ as messiahs whenever send the messiah a na-enwe the stewards a na-enwe ndị ya na ya alụkọ ọrụ yes a na-enwe ndị ya na ya alụkọ ọrụ etu a ka o si wee dị Buddha did not achieve these things on his own alone. Etu the divine divinity chemi ebuna onye ọbụla akpọrọ ọrụ as a messiah ga-enwe other subordinate, other called ones ga-abịakwa sorie n'ọrụ. Ndị ahụ ga-esonye n'ọrụ ị nwere ike ịkpọ ha disciples, ị nwere ike ịkpọ ha apostles. Yes, ọtụtụ messiahs. Even the Abroshin, the Parsifal, when he was on earth, and when other people alcohol, didn't have alcohol. They had alcohol to be the Devoman and other disciples and the apostles, including the present spiritual head, Elizabeth Berhart. It was called the no, let's say during the time of Jesus, according to that and the Greek stories. Yes, because they can say one man like him or Maragato, Mark one some certain mistress sequence. Come on, that's the Greek story in the Bible. We were told about a Messiah called Jesus, and he emphatically said it that no Bialamaka Matu is to the Chetana Matthew. When he was there, a woman, an African woman, approached him and said, "My daughter is dying. Go heal lawyer. Or see a woman. I'm here to save the Jewish people, the Kemite people." And the woman was so precious, a woman with a good heart. And the woman said, "Yes. Oh, Jesus, we're going to do this here. Now they were need Romo." He's making a reference to his people, the Jewish people. Now they wouldn't need a Romo. Yes, now they wouldn't need a Romo. Where you want kita? And the woman, being a woman with good heart, and responded and said, "My Lord, Nankita da no buru teburu, they check and need that on the woman in. Wow." Her response even shocked him. As a woman, your faith is too much. And her desire was granted. That he did not come for all human beings on earth. And no one may emphasize Nihe Basaloya. Echefuna, no one schooled in Africa when he was still a toddler. Mamuli awful. Because the pilot, they busing them mother. Umazi amul awful. Nana Joseph and Mary were in Egypt in Africa. And where's what you told Jah one is in Egypt? Wow, mammy here. Bakarama and Mammy here in Africa. Mochi as a full grown man back to his place. He began to go to synagogue to teach. Do you think he was a small boy? He has grown to the extent that he needed permission to walk in a synagogue where the Pharisees, the Sadducees, no. And the priest, Amami ho jakuzi here, the second to none. That is where he's showing the the messiahness in him. Nkuzi ọ na-akụzi wee gba ndị mmadụ ngharị. Awareness. Ọ bụrụ nwa Joseph na Mary, ọ bụrụ anyị na ụmụnne ya nọ here. They knew him. He's one of them. Mana amamihe dị iche gosiri na ọ bụ a Messiah to their people. And they acted it. And remember, John the Baptist has been there prophesying. No, onye abụ onye a na-ekwu ya won't be a Messiah. They are safe fasting. They will tell their Messiah ga-abịa. We say no onye a Messiah ọnụ. Now, when the time for him to select his disciples, his apostles, he selected among his people. All the people, 12 disciples he selected, they are all Jewish people. Even he selected 72 disciples, not all of them are Jewish people. Despite the fact that they have some Africans that has come across him directly or indirectly, but they don't choose them. Despite the fact that he schooled in Africa, he knows Africa, and he did not even visit Africa when he was preaching his teachings, even in Capernaum and rest of them. He did not come because his message is not meant. And remember, African businessmen have been traveling even to Kemite. Remember, that's Simeon Onyadamatia is from Libya here. You remember the story of about the Ethiopian Enoch? Yes, to show you that businessmen, Ethiopia has been in existence. The Egyptians have been doing foreign trade. So it's not as if he have not seen a foreigner. But he decided to choose only his people. Yes, because he's a Messiah for only his people. Buddha, when the Buddha was there, he have his monks, his followers, his disciples, until today. Those people he handed over the mantle of leadership, they are the one that is holding the light. Many years ago, over 2,500 years, that's he existed. So those people, those his disciples are still there. So what I'm saying, telling you that any other way called one, Anna Potande near the Age Josie, and the case are very surprising. Onye ga no go to Apoya, see ya, go. Ebe aga dey show you light bo ebe the person no. I can tell you without missing words. But I can tell you, even in Nigeria, we have some messiahs. Messiah dey above phone. As case may be, enwere ike inwe messiah na Yoruba. A ga-enwe messiah na Igbo. Even messiahs. The same thing in the north. Yes. So enwere ọtụtụ ndị mere something very unique. Yes, but however, whether that Messiah will accomplish his work diligently depends on people that worked with him. Ọtụtụ ndị said the person might still deviate from the course. Yes, but a Messiah can still fail. So for a Messiah to succeed, any other supporters, Magana more than more is the Messiah, and a more subordinate than a raising guy support Josia. I can even tell you, David Oyedebo, I have already seen him on television, but he's a Messiah to his people. And I can tell you, for him to achieve this feat of evangelism to his people, whether you like him or not, I'm not a Christian, I'm not propagating Christianity. But however, whatever he achieved is because he was given the grace. Whether he used the grace aright or used the grace for personal gains is always a cup of business. But I can tell you that it's only a Messiah that can achieve what he achieved from scratch. And then when Ototonde Nyeriaka to achieve this height, it will according. So even any Messiah again really unseen pillars that are supporting the person, and those people that to help him in his mission here on earth. Na abụrụ dị iche aside the gonu ngotun the man site alaga ọtụtụ ndị messiahs in abụrụ dị iche. Tomorrow we talk about a personality one of the messiahs of the German people. Yes, that lived in the recent time. So tomorrow we look at the life of the founder of the Grey Message, the Parsifal, otherwise known as Abrushin. We look into his life, everything you need to know. If you have questions, drop. I will respond to you. Based on my research, I have researched so many, have so many things to say about many messiahs all over the world. Ndị nzọpụta na-abụ dị iche iche. Dịka esi gwakwa gị, agwala m gị na enwere ndị nzọpụta bụ in leadership position. I nwere Mankruma, enwere so many things, even in Africa here. Enwere ndị ọbụ na ha ga-abụ messiah, but they work in kingdoms, in powers, with the government powers. They will work, but they will make impact. Enwere ndị bụ na ebe ha ga-abụ their messianic work ga-abụ in areas of spirituality. And all we do is ha ga-emeri something very unique. After ha meji gbacha no. No ga-abịa mee some extraordinary things dey against the natural laws. No. Ha nọkwa under the law. So nwere also certain things ndị mmadụ na-eche na Chineke nwere ike ime ihe dey against the natural laws. No. Chineke bịagoro ịlụ ọlụ ebube ya, ọ ga-efulokwa normal process. Normal process. The only thing Messiah nwere ike ime bụ na ọ nwere ike his powers nwere ike ibia some certain miracle happen no faster than expected. Mana ọ ga-abụrịrị ihe dịgo in creation na ọ ga-eme. Ihe ọ ga-eme say the power can draw it faster. Mana ọ bụrụ na ihe dị out of the natural laws, it will not happen. Ka mmalụ gatụ. Agwara m ụnụ mmadụ Messiah nwere ike ikwubi okwu, or even a called one permitted for this work, nwere ike ikwubi okwu for onye na-apụ apụ, onye spirit of death kpebigoro na-aga ewere ndị ya, ma onye ka doctor confirm goro n'ọngwụgwọ. Ọ bụrụ na if he is permitted, o nwere ike ịbịa at that particular time. The spiritual umbilical cord has not been severed. Spiritual umbilical cord is what you see with the spiritual eyes. Doctor have said this person has gone. But the spiritual umbilical cord is still connected to the person. Believe in me, as a Messiah, if you speak to the spirit of that particular person and intervene how it should be, that person might say be permitted to be here, live here again once more. Manobo another spiritual umbilical cord has been severed. Or at point of no return. There's nothing anybody can do about it. So even the messiahs or even Chukwu Okecho igosi ike n'ụwa, ọ ga-efuru normal process. Onya batara nji akọwa from the man. Now some of these so-called miracles, some of the pastors they show na televisions are not real, because we follow a normal process which can't happen. Yes. Omona Chukwu Okecho yelu ọrịa, ọ ga-ejukwa ihe o kere eke, follow kwa normal process, like play, the miracle will be taken on. Even the doctor that is treating the person will be saying, wow, this is healing too fast. Wow, I have not seen this. So the thing will happen fast. But whether you follow one normal process of healing and everything, or you follow, that is natural healing. That is natural, following natural course. Ihe mmụọ ga-eme bụ na o nwere ike, ọ bụrụ na ahụ adịghị respond. Onye nwere dịkwa akwụbi okwu na ya o respond ba. We energize it. We had about magnetic healing or activate it. So all we had about that awakening. So messiahs are spiritually awakened humans. Yes, because they had them operate that with the body of the flesh. Ụfọdụ ga-akpọ ha ọkala mmadụ ọkala mmụọ, because ha nwere mmụọ dị elu karịa ibe ha, and ha bịara for a purpose. Yes, ha bịara here for a purpose. So ihe na-achịkwa Igbo spirituality kwenyere na enwere ọtụtụ ndị dị etu a even before now, and they can see na enwere multiple messiahs, and for multiple reasons. Kwakwa gị na enwere messiahs ekere ọlụ eke, enwere messiahs ndị akpọrọ for to be teachers, when that one can have rulers in the form of king, president, but their primary purpose, they will have this passion to elevate their people. Yes. So, and the more and they send the so Buddha is one of the people early Messiah said to lay on certain foundation. He preaches about karma. He preaches about living a good life. He preaches about suffering and preaches about what human being can do to better. And he preaches, one of the core teaching is that for you to reincarnate again, that life you live here now in this present earth life, and whatever you sow in creation now determines how your next life will be. Yes. Determines where you will be born, what you will pass through, and rest of them, because life is a continuous one until you reach the highest point. According to him, during that time, remember he existed in the BC. It's called, talk about nirvana. The nirvana is the highest perfection human being can attain, which in Igbo spirituality, everybody know that he reached to the point of worthy ancestor. Now the highest point, maturity, human being can achieve. So I hope they understand the Basalo, a personality called Buddha, Siddhartha Gautama, and the concept of Messiah and the Igbo spirituality. So know that all nyakanji gwage ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ anago n'iyi maka ihi na niile mmadụ niile anya. Respect every human being you come across. You don't know who is who. Sometimes even the person don't even know that no one more than to a certain level till the point of who ga activate all ya. Mgbe ka ọ ga-eji wee mal na-enwere ihe dị iche and aga na-enye messages ihe ọ bịara achieve. However, a ga-emekwa ka ọ ghara use excess power o ji wee bịa. Mana enwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ndị ga-follow his path or her path. A ga-esi n'ụzọ dị etu a wee dolite n'ọnọdụ dị elu, because his mission bụ actually is either to lay foundation for the upcoming generation that will take up after him. Ụfọdụ bụ ka abịa gbazie ụzọ for a short time and go back. So enwere missions, enwere different missions. Yes, like the Gautama Makia Buddha is all one day bialo even before the modern era to lay foundation that is still of great benefit to this particular era. But in this particular era, we have developed more. Makane we got that great minds, and we got that messiahs that came after him, and they showed us more things about these supernatural beings known and addressed as supreme being, Chukwu in Igbo spirituality. Other religion, but there are so many things, understanding, like the Hinduism, Kowala yesterday, but they are Brahma, Bagwam, and other religion, but they are Afadi Chiche. The thing is that the unmovable mover, the creator of the entire universe. Yes, but during the time of Buddha, he did not explain to that extent, because he came as a forerunner to lay foundation of that particular olden era to this modern era. We human beings keep updating and keep understanding about spirituality more and more. So tomorrow, join us tomorrow. We'll tell you about all you need to know about personality called Parsifal, otherwise known as Abroshin, the writer and the writer of the Light of the Truth, otherwise known as the Great Message. I will tell you everything about everything you need to know about the messenger and the Messiah. Inwaju na nkuzi a, chat me on WhatsApp 0805-7837-672 or 0813-8243-871. May Chukwu nke Africa bless you all. May Chukwu oke pụrụ ime ihe niile, onye ike niile si n'aka ya bịa, gọzie unu niile, bido ugbu a ruo mgbe niile ebighị ebi. Ya gazie.